Hey everyone, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for the latest tech updates and gadget reviews. So guys, here and today we are checking out one of the coolest budget gaming combo, Zebion Ninja Premium Gaming Keyboard and Mouse Combo. If you love RGB and smooth gaming vibes, this one might just surprise you. So let's jump straight in the unboxing. Alright guys, here you can see the box. Look at on the front, we can see the picture of keyboard and mouse combo. On the back, here we get some features of keyboard and mouse. Now let's quickly unbox this. Here you can see, here we get the keyboard itself. And here's the mouse. It's an ergonomic mouse built for gamers. So that's all inside the box. So let's check the build quality, guys. So this is the Zebion Ninja RGB keyboard, and look at the design, guys. It's very sharp edges. About its key features, it has rainbow RGB lighting with breathing effects. Yes, it has 104 keys, full-size keyboard, multicolor LED with 4 modes, 3 light modes and 1 off mode, and also has an integrated hotkeys, and the body is of aluminum body, so it's very solid. Here you can see, here the corners are very sharp, you have to use carefully, guys. And on the back side, here we get to see a 2-step stance. Now coming to the mouse, this Ninja mouse also has multicolor RGB flow, and it actually looks premium dope on desk setups. And about its specifications, it has high DPI 1000 to 3200 with 4 DPI shift modes, and it is very lightweight ergonomic design with 6 responsive buttons, and here on the side buttons we also get so good grip texture on the both sides, smooth glide with high quality feet, and yes, it is USB plug and play as that keyboard. So alright, now let's connect it, and boom guys, wow, look at the RGB. It's looking very absolutely nice. It's perfect for gamers. Wow, very sharp RGB you can get to see in mouse also. Now let's check the RGB modes. Here you can see we can change the modes. Wow, 1 2 3 and the 4 is off one. I have told you there is 3 light mode and 1 is off mode. First one is this one, you can see, second, third, and the 4th one is off mode. Here you can see we can also decrease the brightness level. Tap on FN plus page down button, it will decrease, and tap on FN plus page up button and it will increase the RGB light. Look at guys, very amazing, and it is now in breathing mode. Wow, look at guys. Yes, now coming to the mouse RGB, wow, it is also has a multicolor RGB flow. It actually looks pretty dope on desk setups. Alright, now it's time to test. Now I will play a few rounds of game and let's see. I am showing you a live video gaming. I will show the performance of these both. Let's see. Now we will test by typing this keyboard and scrolling something by this mouse. Okay, let's type something. Yes guys, typing is very smooth. I'm feeling fun by typing by using this keyboard. Very soft clicky keys are there, and yes, anti-ghost works well for multiple keys. Yes, anti-ghosting works well for multiple key press, and typing feels comfortable for long sessions also. Now let's test this mouse. Yeah. No. Yes, so the tracking is smooth, guys. We will increase some DPI. Wow, guys, look at this. I'm just rotating the mouse and I unable to see the cursor because it's too much faster and quicker. Look at the mouse key. Look at the cursor. Yes, very smooth. So guys, tracking is smooth, no jittering, DPI switches work instantly, yes, and perfect for FPS gamers at budget. Literally under budget, these both are best. But talking about the durability, keyboard may take less points because how you can see it is flexible, like so it will not break, but durability is not much excellent, but good under budget. This is better. So about the special features, it has full RGB breathing patterns and ergonomic comfort for long use, silent membrane key, very best, and strong, and build quality also nice under this budget price. And talking about the price, and now I will reveal the price, and here it is. You can see, guys, under 1000, this 900 Zebion Ninja Premium RGB backlit gaming keyboard. Yes, so guys, about its pros and cons. It's beautiful RGB lighting, great for beginners and mid-level gamers. Smooth DPI control, keyboard feels premium, and plug and play, no software needed. And about the cons, keyboard is membrane, not mechanical. Yes, and no customizable RGB patterns, and keyboard is not thicker. It is very thinner material body it has, and mouse is very lightweight. Some gamers prefer heavy. So yes, that's it, nothing much. So guys, this Zebion Ninja Premium Gaming Combo is honestly one of the best RGB combos you can buy at this price. Yes, under 1000, what will you get? So this is best, perfect for new gamers, office setups, school students, or anyone wanted that RGB aesthetic without breaking the bank. So if you are building a budget gaming desk setup, so this combo is 100% worth it. So that's it for today's unboxing and review. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to Technowaves, and comment below which gaming keyboard or combo I should test next. See you in the next one.